kick.
Why does it look like I'm in Albert's forest right now? Half expecting some like weird frog to jump out and say something to me. I live undertime slumber. Today, my plan is just to clean my room. It's Sunday. My room is very messy. But first, I'm gonna do a haul of things I got at the mall yesterday. This shirt. Forever 21. I've literally never been inside that store before, but I went yesterday and it was on clearance, so I had to. Matching shorts. I can't just not get them. Like, if that wasn't already enough. Boots. $15. Yeah, so I can dress like I'm from the Matrix or something. And last but not least, new Toki Toki. Backpack is a bear. Since my desk is actually clean and the first time in forever, I'm gonna start building this. I've had it for like a year or two. Never did it because I didn't have anywhere to do it. Here's everything I got done today. Got window, door frame, and beginning of an awning. Doesn't look like much, but it took a long time. Okay, here's a haul of discounted Valentine stuff. First, what else? And from Big Lots, string lights. Can I show your things?
Sure, why not?
Yeah.
Also,
Same ones, same ones.
also same string lights. Oh my god.
Truffles.
Truffles. And hard box.
And we got the same kind of thing, and we got a free one because they forgot to put in the raspberry. So now we have 3 of them. I ordered online specifically so that I could get a quesadilla. I just finished getting ready. It's the makeup. Nothing too crazy. Outfit. The pants are actually scrubs. I've got this little, attach these guys to the hoop on them. Hello. I'm getting ready to go to Starbucks today. It is very cold out and I'm walking, so I have lots of layers and still need to add more.